artists. Come along with me. Let's draw a happy cat sitting on top of a doghouse and a friendly dog smiling underneath it. They look like best buddies, enjoying a lovely day together. Get your pencils ready, and let's start sketching. Don't forget to check out our coloring books on Amazon for more creative fun. You can find it by searching for Pinky Art. Let's have fun drawing together. Cats love to climb high places. That's why this little kitty is sitting right on top of the doghouse. Would you let a cat sit on top of your house? Haha! That would be so silly. The cute cat opened its eyes. Look! What name would you give this cat? Oh, that's a super cute name. A cat's purr isn't just cute. It can help them feel calm and relaxed. Dogs have a great sense of smell. 100,000 times better than humans. Friendly dog's eyes have opened as well. Both of them are having a great time exploring their surroundings. What about the dog? What name should we pick? Such a fun name. I love it. Dogs wag their tails to show happiness, but did you know they also wag it when curious? Amazing! Look at our drawing. It's so adorable. Now, it's time to color. What colors will you use? That sounds beautiful. Let's make it colorful and bright. Do you like cats or dogs more? Or both? Great choice. They're both so adorable. Some cats love dogs and can be best friends with them, just like in our drawing. A cat's whiskers help them measure small spaces so they don't get stuck. Cats sleep for about 13 to 16 hours a day. So this kitty might take a nap after our drawing. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. What sound does a happy cat make? Meow, meow. That's perfect. Some dogs can learn more than 100 words, just like a toddler. The tallest dog ever was over 7 feet tall when standing on its back legs. That's taller than most people. What sound does a happy dog make? Woof woof. Great job. If you had a pet cat and dog, what would you do with them? That sounds so fun! What do you think they're talking about? Wow! That's such a creative story! Are you having fun drawing with me? Yay! I'm so happy you're here! Yay! We did it! We drew such a cute cat and dog. I'm so proud of you! If you love coloring, don't forget you can check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time, Pinky friends. Keep creating and having fun!